Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Tobinna, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys on how to trade on the Binance Futures trading platform. So alright, this is my home screen, and on the Binance app, actually on Android, and I just navigate to the futures section. Just look below the screen, you just navigate to the futures section. It's quite easy. Now this is what the Binance Futures marketplace looks like. So sorry, here is the assets, the pair I'm going to be trading: RUN, USDT, and this is the order book, kind of shortened form of the order book. This is the buy. Either I go for a buy or long position. This market is just like saying oh, the price of RUN paired against the dollar would rise. That's RUN will rise against the USDT within a particular time frame. Or actually this is perpetuals. It doesn't have any time limits or any particular time frame. So I'm going to see this price rise against the US dollar, and why the price moves positively and make a gain, but why the price moves negatively and make a loss. You understand? So I'll be showing you other features like the isolated margin, isolated mode. I have two modes: the isolated and the cross. Why this cross depends. They are quite dissimilar. The cross, there are some benefits and some disadvantages of the cross, and the isolated also has its own benefits and disadvantages. But as a beginner, I suggest you use isolated mode, because when you are making a loss on a particular trade, this particular action won't affect your other trades, because a cross position, all positions opened on cross mode are working hand in hand. So I normally use isolated for all my trades. So I put on isolated. Now this is the leverage. One of the most important of this particular trade, what kind of a particular kind of trade is the leverage. Now this leverage starts from 1x all the way to 150x, but I think for now Binance has limited it to 50x. Maybe for my account, all of a sudden I can only use up to 50x. So this is your leverage, just like a borrowed margin. For example, I want to trade. I want to buy this RUN. For example, I want to buy this RUN. Is at $8, and I maybe have only $8. That means I can only purchase one RUN. $8.4. Sorry. That means I can purchase only one RUN. What I have to do here now is with this leverage up to 5x, I have $8 times 5, which is what is that? $40. You understand? I have $40. 8 times 5 will give me $40. That means normally if the price of RUN should move, and normally if the price of RUN should move 2%, or let me say 3% positively, if I should go on long, I'm gaining 3% times 5, which will give me a 15% return on investment. But on the spot market, if I should trade RUN, on the spot market, and it goes and it moves, let me say, and the price of RUN moves to 3%, I'm just getting 3%. But with the futures market, using the leverage, I will gain 15%, because I'm using 5x leverage, and 3% times 5x will give me 15% return. I can increase it to 10x, 12x, 11x, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, up to 20. But for new users on the Binance Futures, you can only use up to 20x leverage. You understand? You can only use up to 20x leverage. So what we're going to do now is I'll be making a simple trade here. I'll go long, I'll possibly go short, and you will see how the losses incur. Please always, if you are new to Binance and Futures and you don't know anything about technical analysis, I suggest you either subscribe to a signal partner, a signal provider, to provide you with your future signal, or you have some knowledge on technical analysis, go and learn technical analysis. It is very, very important. So I'm going to transfer some assets into my futures. As you can see here, I don't have much balance here. It's very, 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 very empty. I don't have much balance there. So I'm going to transfer. Okay, I'm going to transfer some assets there. So I think I'm here now. I'm on this page. I'll transfer. Firstly, I just have some funds on my funding, so I'll just transfer funding USDT. I'm going to transfer it to my spot. Just ignore this process. This is the most important process. Now I am on this page. I'll transfer from I'll click on this button. You're going to click on this button to transfer assets. All right, so I'm going to click here, and spot to USDT futures, which is what I'm going to transfer. I'm going to transfer assets from the spot to the futures. So I'll transfer all, max, transfer all, and here I am. Balance. I already have my balance updated here. So I'm going to be going either long or short, but losses are actually losses, so I just maybe need to glance through my chart a little bit because of my knowledge in technical analysis. Let me use the 1 hour time frame. Just glance a little bit. You can see the rune USDT is on a downtrend, so I am just going to see. Let me get a particular support resistance zone. All right, check out good candlesticks here, and okay. Actually I'll go long. I'm just looking for good entry. I'll go long let me long at 8.419. So if you are following my videos about Binance Spot, how to use the limit order, you understand, it's always on limit order. Just preferably use limit order on your Binance Futures so you can set your entry points perfectly. So I'll go long. My entry points will be 8.415, and that's it. And I'll go just half of my portfolio, just 50%, and I'll go on long, confirm buy, and let me wait for the order to the market to pick my order. Now another feature of this particular place is why you have the OCO on the spot section. Here you have the on futures. You can set your take profit and stop loss here. Take profit and stop loss. Just click on this particular area zone. Take profit and stop loss. It's there. So what am I going to do? I'm going to if I maybe for example I place an order, I would come here before I click on this buy or long. I'll come first of all come to this section. I'll come to this section and set my take profit and stop loss. Understand? So maybe if I'm entering 8.415 before I set that position, 8.415. Maybe I'll put my take profit as 8.437, and then my stop loss will be 8.3. You understand? Or let me say 8.386. You understand? So that's actually how to set a take profit and stop loss here. But on the spot, it's actually in the form of an OCO order. One completes the order. Okay, so I'm already in my position, so let's see how this stuff actually works. So now you can see I'm on a loss and I'm again on a profit. That's how the market keeps fluctuating actually. So this is my margin. Original margin is $3.36. This is my leverage margin, which gives me the size. Total size is $16.84. If you can remember, I said using 5x. This is what 5x this size or position using a 5x leverage would give me. You understand? So you can see my profit and loss. I'm already on a plus 0.29% gain. You understand? So that is actually how it works, and I can set my take profit and stop loss from here too if I didn't do it in the initial stage. So that's it. Let me try setting my take profit and stop loss here. So let's do that. I click there and I set my take profit at 0.3, or did I see the previous time 3.5? Sorry. Take profit at 8.435, and my stop loss at 8.386. Alright, the balance is 8.388. 389. Let me leave that 39 or 393. Let me just make a 50-50. So that's it. That's actually how it works. I've set my, now you can see I've set my take profit and stop loss here, and you can see I went on a long position, seeing the market move up in an upward direction, but now the market is going in a downward direction, and you can see I'm making a loss here, and it's showing here. This is my realized profit. My realized profit is minus $0.02. That means I'm on a loss currently on this trade. So that is how actually the futures trading works. That's why I always recommend, if you are a newbie, if you are new to this place, always look out for a signal provider, or better still, learn technical analysis, and you always have to still have your fundamental analysis close to you. So you can see here the order book, and actually makes use of a mark price. This mark price is not actually the current price as you see it fluctuating. It's just like an average within an average price. Understand? So Binance is actually one of the features of the Binance. As you can see, my position will be closed now because market has hit my I think that's okay. Okay, my position is still on. So this mark price by Binance is just a way of balancing price fluctuations to make sure that actually for your position to enter, trigger, or close at a particular range, the market actually did range within that price. You understand? So that is what the futures market is all about. You just have to know these main points: your leverage, your isolated or cross mode. Normally, as a newbie, you use your isolated, so one position profit or loss would affect the other. This is your balance, you can top it up. This is your take profit and stop loss. Just showing important areas. I already told you how to view whether you use 20% or 30% of your margin here, and this is the order book. You understand? All right, some other features, let me see, and here you can see your charts through here, this zone. You can see your charts here, sorry, here. So let me click there, let me see what my chart looks like. This is my chart here. You can see my chart here. I can view my chart in the 1 hour time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, the 4 hours time frame, and the daily time frame. All right, so let's see how our trade is going. Oh wow, you got on profits, and you can also share my profit and loss using this button here. You can share your trade, how your trade is going, using this button here. You just have to click it, and then it shows your profit and loss, so far. All right, so sorry for all this here. That's it. I can click here, and this is my profit and loss. You understand? So that is how actually it works. It's not much complicated on the Binance Futures market. So I'm going to be closing this position. The market is very volatile. I didn't make a proper analysis before starting this video, and that's it. And always make sure it's on USDM. You understand? And I can search for any pair I want to trade here. For example, let me search let me trade the I think my position should have closed now. Let me trade the let me say sorry, let me trade the near USDT. Look at, you can see it, I've changed another pair, and that's it. So you can see my trade has closed. You can see, and some balance has been returned back to my wallet, showing that it has hit my take profit stop loss, my take profit and stop loss targets. So it has hit my stop loss. It's actually was like an OCO to cut down losses you would incur on the trade, on your trades. So that is actually a risk management feature on the Binance Futures trading platform. So actually trading in futures can be very life changing. There is much more profit here, and I actually trade Binance Futures. Most of the while I trade them for a living. You understand? So actually this is actually how the platform works. And the same thing applies when you want to go on a short position. Sorry, you want to sell. You have to set your order to and enter at a higher price, and say the price will sell short to a lower position. You understand? So this is actually the buy and the sell works. Sell in futures means to go short, to give a price prediction that the price of that asset will short. You can then combine it with your leverage to make a massive profit. But also take note that this leverage would increase your risks, increase the risks you're exposed to. You understand? So that's just it. And I think that is all for the Binance Futures. Always refer to a technical analysis expert, or learn technical analysis, or rather seek a futures signal provider, a trusted one, people who are up on doing. On the link below the description, I'll drop the links to the Binance trading app for those who haven't created an account too. I also drop the link to that of the spot trading I made. You can look through the spot trading and understand it first before coming into this futures market. And also if you have not registered for a Binance account, the link is also in the description. Get a Binance account and kick off your crypto trading journey. Thanks for watching this video up to this point, and I think if you've watched up to this point, you should understand at least up to 85% of what the trading futures is all about. Trading futures is just like a form of a derivative trading. You don't need much money to delve into futures. As you can see, I just used only $8, and with this $8 I could make over 100% profit, a 200%, 300% profit, just with discipline and the right amount of knowledge. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. And once more, my name is Tobenna, and if you like the contents and the helpful tools I drop on my channel, kindly subscribe. I will be dropping more videos on how to do this and how to do that about crypto, and I hope to see you next time.